Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a meatloaf. Easy meatloaf. Now you take a box of stuffing mix. I'm using Aldi brand, but you can use any brand you want to and any flavor you want to. You dump it into a bowl. You add 1 cup of beef broth. And you stir it to get it all mixed up. Just let it sit until it softens. Alright, now in the meantime, I got 2 eggs. I'm going to beat them up. And I've got about 1.5 pounds of, one of these tubes is ground beef and Choc, and the other is just ground beef. Yeah, I'll put that in there. And I'm going to put a package of onion soup mix also in there. I'm using Aldi brand, but you can use whatever brand you want. And I'm going to mix this up with my hands, and I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, I got this mixed pretty good. And I'm going to add the stove top or whatever brand of dressing you use into it. It's softened up. And I'm going to mix it in. Get it all mixed in here. I'll be back when I get it mixed. Alright, I added about 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce to this. I'm going to pour it into a 9 by 13 pan and form it into a meatloaf. And in the meantime, I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And I'm going to bake this about an hour. But halfway through, I'm going to put some more barbecue sauce on top. So, when this gets done, I'll bring you back. When I get it all formed and in the oven. And I think I used 2 pounds. I think that was another pound of hamburger. So because this is just too much for a pound and a half. And we'll be back. Hi, our meatloaf is done, and you know a meatloaf is done when it's 160 degrees internal temperature. It looks wonderful. I cut Sam the end piece and a sweet potato, and there's salad in the fridge. So he's going to taste this and tell us what he thinks about it. And I baked it about 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Well, I love meatloaf. I'm a connoisseur of meatloaf. Here we go. Delicious.
Is it good?
I thought the Elvis Presley meatloaf might be the best I ever had, but I believe this might. It's so good.
Well,
y'all love this if you like meatloaf.
You heard it from the taster. So give this a try. I'll put the recipe below, as simple as it is.
Delicious.
Try it with some sweet potatoes or regular potatoes or tater tots or whatever.
Or collard greens.
Collard greens, right. So thank you for coming in and spending part of your day with me. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, you all take care. And God bless every one of you.
That woman over at Dr. Long's kept winking at me today. What does that mean?